Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In Car Technologies, and today we've been working on a 2000 and I think it's 2016 Audi SQ5, and as you can probably see, we've retrofitted the drive select button. So the main thing about this car is it's non-MMI, so it means it doesn't have navigation. It just has the concert normal stereo with digital radio, and because you don't have any MMI settings for car to be able to control the drive select and choose what mode you want to be in, you have to have the drive select button. And because it's the facelift version, it means it's down here rather than up a bit further up here, on the main console where you've got the dynamic, individual, auto modes, etc, etc. So this was the original one, so it's got start stop, so we had to get the one with the drive select button on it. So that's all been nicely installed. It's been pinned out so that the car can talk to it and how it interacts with the car. So this is the reason we installed drive select, is because on this SQ5 we've done the sound booster. So if I give it a quick start now, you'll probably hear it in the background. So it's got the motor sound, and then when I rev it, you can hear it like that. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly move the camera. I'll show you what happens when we push the drive select button, and you can then see how you know what drive mode that you're in. All right, so we'll just flip forward and I'll show it in operation. Okay, so I've moved the camera so you can see the driver's information system. So that's where you get your modes and all that sort of stuff, and you can change what mode you're in and all that business. So when your stereo's on, obviously you get your radio and all that sort of stuff coming up there. But as I showed you earlier, the drive select button, because you don't have the MMI screen to be able to change anything, you have to push the drive select, and what mode you're then in is then displayed in the driver's information system. So if I just click through it, so now it was already in dynamic, so that's what it's showing. Efficiency, and you probably heard that the sound booster is shut down as well. Comfort, auto, and then back to dynamic, and you can probably hear the sound booster reactivating again. So the benefit of having this drive select mode is obviously when you're in efficiency, it's going to make the car really economical to drive. When you're in dynamic, it's going to change the feeling of the steering, but obviously it's dependent on your vehicle and what's already installed. So if you've got the correct Servotronic unit in here, if you've got the adjustable suspension and all that sort of stuff, so the more parts that you've got like that, the more that the drive select is going to affect you. But certainly on the SQ5s, when you go into dynamic, you will notice the difference. It will be a bit more gruntier, and it will be revving slightly higher. It will hold on to those revs a lot longer as well. So yeah, this is an Audi SQ5. I think it's the V6 3-litre diesel jobby, or the 2-litre, with no MMI navigation. And people say, oh, you can't fit drive select. Well, you can, it's there. So yeah, if you've got any more questions or you want to get this sorted yourself, it's not a bad little install actually. It does involve a bit of wiring out down in the cockpit, down here in the footwell, and then obviously coding through the VCDS system, or VAGCOM, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, just get in touch with us through the comments or send us a quick message through the contact form, and as usual, thanks for watching.